You can upload photos using your Windows PC on TikTok. As you all know, you can't upload photo posts directly through TikTok on PC because the web version has limited features compared to the mobile app. To get around this, we use an Android emulator, which makes your computer appear as a smartphone. TikTok then recognizes the emulator as a mobile device, giving you access to the same photo upload features available on the first thing that you need to do is, of course, download an emulator. I personally want to use BlueStacks. Just go to their website and click on this download button right here, and on the top right of your screen you can see that it just downloaded an installer. Once you click that, just click agree and install and wait for it to download on your PC. Once it's downloaded, it should look something like this on your desktop. Once you open it, click on the search bar and search for TikTok. Once you search for TikTok, just click on it and click install from Google Play. Now it will ask you to sign in on your Google account. Just please do so that you can download TikTok on your emulator. Once you've logged in, it should look something like this. Just click install and wait for it to download. Once that TikTok is downloaded and you've logged in, when you try to upload photos, it shows really nothing here. What we need to do is we need to put photos in our emulator. So click home on the top left corner of BlueStacks, and you need to go here to Media Manager, and you can click import from Windows and upload the photos that you want to upload on your TikTok account. Once you're done importing the photos from your PC to your emulator, just go back to home and to TikTok and upload your photos normally as if you were uploading it on your phone. Just to show you that this really works, I'm going to upload these photos that I picked earlier to my account and show you the results. Here, as you can see, it really works. I can even scroll it as if I were using my phone.